Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you something truly special, something that has the potential to completely change your life and your online business. I'm not exaggerating when I say this. If you watch this video till the very end and actually implement what I'm about to share, it can genuinely shift the way you make money online. Make sure you stay focused because this is one of those rare methods that actually works. And if you want to check out the exact system I'm using, you can click the link in the description anytime during this video. Most people believe you need to create endless content, talk on camera, spend money on ads, or already have experience to make traffic and sales online. I believe that too, until I tested a simple AI-powered method that got me 32,000 clicks without making a single video myself, without showing my face, and without spending a single dollar. What I'm about to explain is not theory. It's something I personally tested and saw working in real time. Here's the biggest mistake beginners make. They think traffic comes from working harder, posting more videos, editing longer content, or copying what influencers are doing. The truth is, traffic already exists. Millions of people are scrolling every day, searching for solutions, clicking on videos, and buying products. The real skill is knowing how to position yourself in front of that traffic without doing all the hard work yourself. What changed everything for me was discovering that viral content is already doing the heavy lifting. Instead of creating videos, scripts, or thumbnails, I found a way to ethically and strategically place my links where buyer traffic already is. This is where AI plays a powerful role. The system models what's already working, finds high-intent attention, and redirects it through a simple setup that runs 24/7. The best part is how beginner-friendly this is. You don't need technical skills. You don't need a website. You don't need emails, funnels, or ads. The AI handles the boring stuff. Your job is simply to follow the steps, copy what already works, and activate the system. Once it's live, it keeps working in the background, even when you're busy living your life. When I tested this for the first time, I honestly didn't expect much. I just wanted to see if the clicks were real. Within minutes, traffic started coming in. Over time, that traffic grew to 32,000 visitors. What mattered most wasn't just the number. It was realizing that the system was repeatable. It wasn't luck. It was structure. This works in any niche and from any country because human behavior doesn't change. People look for solutions. Viral content grabs attention. This method simply connects the two. You're not chasing people. You're showing up at the exact moment they're already interested. If you're thinking, will this work for me if I'm a beginner? The answer is yes. I built this specifically to remove the usual barriers. No face on camera, no voice, no budget, just a smart AI-driven approach that anyone can test. If you want to see exactly how this system works and how you can set it up step by step, click the link in the description below. It breaks everything down clearly so you can test it for yourself and decide if it's right for you. So now you have a choice. You can keep doing what most people do, creating content and hoping something works someday, or you can test a smarter method that taps into traffic that already exists. I know which option I chose. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this valuable, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to check the link in the description to see the exact AI method I'm using. This could be the moment that changes everything for you and your business.